Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how you can apply an e-visa to travel to Ethiopia. Before I proceed further, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe right now. So guys, in front of you, I have opened this Ethiopia e-visa website, and just want to clarify, neither I'm an immigration consultant nor I'm a government body. So in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. So the very first thing I would say guys is go to information, because you should know that uh, what it is, what you should expect. Okay, and all important questions. Okay, and applicability and validity, eligibility, you can get it answered over here. Fee and everything. Okay, whether you'll get refund, what documents you need, all are here. So first read all through that. Okay, so that see, I clicked on tourist visa online here. You can find out what are the documents you need, processing time, duration also they have given, fee in USD also you have given, you can even extend also. So once you understand, okay, that what it is, click on apply. Select visa type, what you want to go for. They have given various options. I select tourist. Validity, I select single. Fee is this. Condition, next. I mean, all information I'm going to put sample, but you do as per your case. Okay. Arrival date. Let's say you're coming on 15th April. Departure country. Let's say you're coming from India. Departure city. Let's say you're going from New Delhi. Airline. I'm just putting sample, guys. You do as per your case. Where are you gonna stay in Ethiopia? Okay. Let's say you're gonna stay at a hotel. So it will have a name. It will have a city. It will have an address. I'm just putting like this, but and it will have a phone number. Okay. Now next tab, personal information. Anything you put here, you should check at least 2 times. Okay. And it should match with your passport. Don't do even a minor type of, it could be dangerous. Country of birth, date of birth, you can select also. Place of birth, just check your passport. I know I'm insisting a lot, but there's a reason. Use proper email, don't do like this. Phone number, oh, probably. Occupation. This is your street address. Of course, you know your address. Who doesn't know their own address? City, country. Next is your passport. Ordinary passport number, issue date, expiry date, showing country, authority. Just check your passport. It will be written there and type exactly like that. Next is to review all the information that you have done. Next is to do attachment and then submission. Of course, and pay the fee, of course. Of course, I'm not going to do that, but this is how it goes. And once processed, you are all good to go. So let me know, guys, what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this, and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.